Hello and welcome to the Virtual Star Event URL tutorial. There are multiple ways of providing National FCCLA with your competitive event URL. However, we're going to discuss Google Drive, Google Sites, and Dropbox. It is important to note that we need these URLs by May 22nd. You can continue to edit the documents in your folders and the URLs until June 7th. However, we have to have the URL itself by May 22nd. First, we'll go over Google Drive instructions. So first, log into your Google Drive. If you're not familiar with Google Drive, you can search it in Google, just search Google Drive, and you'll be looking for something with the triangle symbol that says Drive. If you have a Gmail account, you may be able to just click on the symbol that looks like this with a bunch of squares, and then scroll down and select Drive. Once you've logged in, click the New button on the left corner. Click the first option, which will be Folder. You'll need to title your folder the competitive event, the level, and the student's name. This is really important so we can stay organized with all of our competitive event information. Next, you'll need to open the folder you just created. Now go ahead and click on the New button again and select File, Upload. This will bring up the directory to your computer. You can select the files you need to upload, or you can also drag and drop your files into this folder. Either way works. Now you should have your competitive events folder with your documents in it. Now we need to work on getting the link to the folder. So you will click on the name of your folder if you're in it. Select Share when the drop-down appears. The following box will pop up. You'll select Get Shareable Link. And we need to make sure that anyone with the link can view this. So you'll click on this little drop-down right here. If you don't have this drop-down, you can select More and it will appear. And it'll bring up a pop-up and you will select On Anyone with the Link. Then click Save. Next, you're just going to copy and paste the link that Google creates for you into the virtual NLC registration in the FCCLA portal. Next, we'll discuss Google Sites. So if you're not familiar with Google Sites, go ahead and just search in the Google bar, Google Sites, and then select Create, the red button. It'll bring up a little pop-up. It's going to give you two options. You'll select In New Site. Then you'll begin creating your site. So you can enter the page title, and then you'll select the Insert button, text box, and this is where you can put your competitive event information. So the competitive event, the level, and the student's name. If you need to upload something from your Google Drive, you'll select Insert, Drive. A pop-up will appear. You can select your items that you need to upload. And then you'll click the blue Insert. If you need to embed a video, you'll need to select on Insert, Embed, and then you'll just copy and paste the URL into this box and click Insert. Next, we need to work on publishing it. So you'll select the Publish button at the top right corner. You'll enter a name for your website. So this can be your competitive event, last name, and the level, or something similar to that. Then you'll need to select on the word Manage. You will need to change who can view this so that our evaluators can view this. So you'll select the word change. And you'll need to select anyone can find and view the published version. Then you'll select save, another pop-up will appear. You'll select done, another pop-up will appear, and you'll select publish. Next, you'll need to get the link. So you'll select the icon that looks like a paperclip and select copy link. Then you'll paste the link into the virtual NLC registration in the FCCLA portal. Lastly, we'll go over Dropbox instructions. So first you'll need to log into Dropbox if you have a Dropbox. If you do not have Dropbox, you can create an account. You'll need to download Dropbox first and then log in. Then you're going to select New Folder. It's going to be located on the right. You'll title your folder, your competitive event, level, and name. Then we need to upload the files. So you'll select Upload Files. They'll bring the directory to your computer where you can select the files you need to upload. You then need to share the folder. So you'll select Share Folder located on the right. Then you'll select Create Link at the bottom right. Next, click Copy Link. You'll then paste the link into the virtual NLC registration in the FCCLA portal. And that's everything we're going to go over today. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us at the email address on this page.